All right. Welcome back, everyone. We got Mr. Hayes in the house.
Yo.
If you guys are new here, in the morning, we come in, take a look at price action interaction between the Asia session and London session, what we can do going into the New York session. At night, we come in, we take a look at what actually happened during the New York session, and then on the weekends, on Sundays, we look through the previous week. We see what trades we took, see what setups we had. We also go over some stocks that we were watching heading into this week, and we take a look at some crypto, which is dumping. So currently nothing on crypto. We'll probably skip that for today. So let's just get straight into NQ review. All right. We'll start us off on Monday here. Do I not have a Monday journal? I don't have a Monday journal. What did I do Monday? Man, son of a bitch. All right. Monday, let's improvise here. Let's take a look. So Asia session consolidation, London session manipulation to the upside. So going off of our daily plan that I posted earlier today too from Dangstrat, we typically would want to see a reversal going into that New York session. Or here you can see how price is coming in. Where's our 9:30 open? 9:30 open was pretty close to the bottom here, but we have an initial retrace into the Sunday open here, or to that session open. Rejection off of it, and then a continuation to the downside. You could have taken some trades off of this 5-minute here earlier on and then fucked off, or you could have taken something during the Asia session. Could have taken the upside, could have taken the downside, but that's Monday there. Tuesday, we had some upside over here. So Asia session, reversal to the downside. London session, a little bit of a manipulation to the upside. And then as this New York session opens up, we have that reversal to the upside. 9:30 comes in. We said initially here on stream that we had this 15-minute volume imbalance here. I said, well, we can tap into this volume imbalance, which would also be probably within the OTE of this Tuesday session, London session range. Tap into that OTE and get that reversal to the upside. That's exactly what price did. We got that reversal over here. Continuation into this Sunday open. Price is rejecting that Sunday open without being able to continue through it. So we don't quite get these sessions right now. We get one more leg down to the downside, bouncing on this 12-hour at 24,495. Get a little retrace into this level right there at 24,63275. Rejection off of it back down. Final sweep. VIX is rising, so that gives us a little bit more confidence for more upside. Get that reversal and finally sweep that Asia session high. That is our Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, similar thing, right? Asia session consolidation, London session looks like manipulation to the upside. So we draw out the range of the London and the Asia session. Typically, if the OTE of this session holds, we get a nice continuation to the upside. Over here, you can see we retest that 7886 right at 9:30. Rising VIX giving us that confidence to the upside, and we also have a 15-minute open low, high close candle. Retrace on the next 5-minute to retest that breakout, this order block, and we get that continuation to the upside to sweep that London session low or London session high and those previous highs that we've had. Over here on Thursday, I believe this is where this previous previous day's dump comes in. So over here you can see this dump that followed right after that run to the upside. On the higher time frame, on the hourly, we take this dump. We were looking at this hourly fair value gap, and this is posted inside our Discord. I was trading overnight session this time around because I had to be somewhere very, very early the next day. So over here, we retrace into the OTE of that session, that little grind up, right? As well as a tap into this fair value gap on the hourly. That gives us a solid rejection point that price can continue to the downside out of it. So we reject from there. You can see here that we are manipulating above the Asia session highs during that London session. We also have a 5-minute fair value gap right there that gets displaced to the downside, 5-minute SFP. So we're targeting that session low and this right there. It gives us that downside. Did not trade New York session during this time, but also doesn't look like it gave us much. You can see the SFP here on the 5-minute, so you could have targeted this London session low and then a reversal from there with that SFB as well, and rising VIX fix. That was Thursday. My daily plan right there. Move that puppy over here. Friday, pretty similar, right? So as we were going into the session, Asia session consolidation here, London session sweeping both sides of it. So going into New York, we could see an SFP. I believe we outlined this insider stream as well. We swept the previous day low over here. So price was starting to kind of move below, and we said, okay, if price gets back above it and we see an hourly close above that previous day low, which was right here, so that previous day low, you can see that this hourly candle closed above it. So we said, well, we can possibly see an outside day given that was the case of that sweep. As price swept on the next hourly at 9 a.m. right as we open here at 9:30, you can see we sweep that previous hourly low, get an immediate reaction to the upside. As we close above this high, you can start taking longs, or you can even start taking them over here on this SFP plus the rising VIX fix combination, just kind of give you more confidence. As we get above the previous hourly candle closing price, that's where longs take off, and we go for the highs that we have outlined. So that's the week. Going into this next week, we don't have too many news this week. We got Monday FOMC member Waller speaking tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Eastern. Consumer confidence at 10, so 30 minutes into market open. Trump is also speaking tomorrow night. Maybe he's going to announce a war or some shit like that. Wednesday, nothing. Unemployment claims on Thursday, and core PPI on Friday as well. So let's see what this week gives us. Currently below the Sunday opening, we have previous weekly high up above us, previous weekly low below. Those are two levels that we are watching with great eyes. If we sweep this previous weekly high and don't see don't see any continuation above it, we can confidently short it into possibly giving us an outside week here. This initial manipulation below the Sunday open is pretty nice. This just immediate reversal sweep of all of that consolidation here on the 4-hour. But otherwise, we were still just kind of in this range, so nothing much happening.
On NQ hourly, I would like to see them pushed out of here if they want upside.
Yep.
Hourly OTE needs to reclaim 25,142, but possible.
Yeah, I would say same thing for me. Love to see that previous weekly high swept and then a reversal back to the downside. But if not, then not. We're going into this monthly, this last week of the monthly, so expect some interesting price action, I would say. Holding the 1550 EMA so far, but more consolidation on it kind of reminds me of what we did that previous week, where we had the whole little consolidation with the manipulation on the upside, and then just a complete fucking dumperoonie on Thursday. So possible here, it's possible. Let's see what they do. That would kind of be that continuation of the Wyckoff. On the 12-hour, we've said, if you looked at my Twitter, we said this daily fair value gap is going to give us some sort of resistance. So above it, we can see a continuation to the upside. Anything below, we're shorting it. See, we still have a little bit of downside here that we can possibly tap into. So on the 12-hour, that fair value gap is from 25.05825 to 24.99550. So far, solid rejection on it. Where did I post this shit? Didn't quote it. We also have the 12-hour fair value gap there. I posted it inside Discord in the daily fair value gap. Let's see, and then 12-hour wise. 25.01350, 24.96325. So we're watching those levels. And on the downside, we want to see a break of 24,745.75. That would possibly give us some more room on the downside for the final break of 24,632.75. That will lead to 24,495.25. 24,495 break. We could possibly capture that previous monthly low. That's what I got on that. Crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum dropping like flies, so nothing that I'm really watching here right now.
As expected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, daily looks horrid.
Yeah, nothing. And this is, I mean, weekly manipulations are possible here, but you know what? Towards the end of the month, I'm not even gonna take anything here. Just gonna letting it play out. Let's see what we have on stonks. I'm gonna open up weekly charts. Coin would love to see a weekly continuation above 172, but given how the crypto market's acting, that's probably not a thing that's gonna happen. Octa's fucking down. Oh, solid breakout above the trend line that we've posted before. So we're just seeing that nice continuation on it right now. See what else we got here. Peloton, Target Weekly, Netflix, Nike Weekly, Nike possibility of continuation above this 200 EMA. We just need to get above it and stay above it. But daily's kind of got that SFP, couldn't clear that CISD, so needs to continue above that. That's what we're gonna be watching here. Break above that 200 EMA will give us some solid fucking upside. Stock trading. TRPD, JD previous weekly doesn't look too bad. Good sweep there.
Yep, I like that one.
Monthly, we just need to get a good reversal here. Dash daily retesting the inverse fair value gap, so we need to see some kind of continuation out of it now. If that's what we're looking for. Upside on S, down week, May. DE, solid fucking weeklies there. KO. Pepsi weekly doesn't look too bad here. Retest of the fair value gap here. So there's a possibility for this monthly to close up great on the upside.
Yep, I agree on that. We looked at Celsius. Monthly still looks kind of rough, I guess, but last week was really nice.
Yep. Selch. Ooh, look at Etsy weekly. This monthly also looks good.
Yep, I like that. Monthly's kind of rough.
Hood is another one I'd love to bring to everyone's attention. Still just kind of consolidating here, so I would not be surprised if we get one more push to the downside. But I would start slowly accumulating here. Just personal opinion here. Like 55s and 66s are great load zones for me.
Yep. I like PG monthly still.
PG. Oof. Where's that bitch? PG. Proper gay.
Properly gay.
Monthly too. Above that CISD. said Amazon.
No, I do like coins still. I know you said to
Mhm.
At the monthly just looks like a huge megaphone. So if they
Yeah.
want to bring it all the way back up to the top of the megaphone again,
Yeah, that'd be pretty
I don't
fucking
see
good.
why not.
Oh yeah, Amazon daily getting above that. Just the monthly looks fucking rough. DDOG, same thing. This daily needs to reverse from here if we want to see some kind of continuation on the weekly, monthly. Otherwise, she's going to continue to the downside. From Lulu, weekly doesn't look bad. Weekly T, LMT. God, LMT, that was such a good fucking outline on Lockheed that we had to the upside. God, this fucking music bot's fucking up today.
Being a piece of shit.
Stuttering. On weekly, could get an outside week on this girl for the monthly to get above that CISD.
On. Yeah, monthly looks good. 3 month looks good.
Oh yeah, next month is the last of the quarter.
God. AMT still looks good. The daily looks nice.
Yeah, still it's beautiful gap up on that daily. Yeah, weekly doesn't look too bad. Just need above that 200 EMA on it.
KO is not done.
Ulta Beauty could be a short here on the weekly. SFP at the top. Previous monthly high swept. Below the daily CISD. Dell. Oh.
Inside month kind of scary.
Yeah.
Just because if they could sweep the bottom next month if they want.
Earnings on Thursday too.
Maybe they do that.
Goddamn ATI fucking cranker. Oh, it's Generac. That was such a beautiful fucking tap of the O2E. God. I think we fucking call this one. Oh my god, come on. Fucking bot, motherfucker. I'm definitely flying. Pen. Wait, Banana daily doesn't look bad. Weekly through the CISD, and this monthly doesn't look bad either.
Yeah, that one and DraftKings looked pretty good. Donkey Kong. But it kind of shit the bed. The other
Which
day.
one?
DK and G.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Zom looks pretty fucking shortable here.
Yep. Oil. We'll see though with the war shit. They could fucking skirt that shit.
Yeah.
So I don't trade oil anymore. It's so fucking sporadic.
Oh yeah, way too much shit's dependent on it. MGM. Yeah, I guess MGM, yeah, weekly too. Doesn't look bad. MGM. Oxy through the weekly CISD.
Yep.
I'm definitely flying. Oxy, Clorox. What else we got? Elf Weekly. Elf don't look too bad.
Yeah, monthly's almost outside month.
Oh,
if
shit.
They really want to
Yeah.
push into that.
Oh yeah.
That looks good for outside month. This week could be a ripper. Netflix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of down.
God damn.
Rightfully so.
Yeah. All their fucking faggotry. They should have out of here. Macy's Weekly also doesn't look too terrible. Alright, you know what? That's enough of this. That's enough of that.
Sit in silence.
Huh?
Sit in silence.
I'm just gonna play music off of my computer. I wonder if can you hear
Play it
it?
off your phone into your microphone.
I know I have it connected so they can hear my my output.
Oh, yeah.
Open, so yeah. I don't know. I hope you could hear it. Damn. I need to be sharing my screen for you
It's okay.
for that. eBay too.
EK.
eBay, eGay.
Yeah, monthly,
Check it.
weekly looks good. Yep.
Uh-huh.
I was looking at this one before.
Yeah, weekly SFP looks pretty fucking solid. Buff that 200 EMA too could be a fucking cranker on the upside. RCL could be good reversal here.
Yep, I like.
Four motors.
Guess we could look at the sectors.
Google too. Google weekly doesn't look bad. Yeah, Amazon weekly. Yeah, like you said, that one looks good.
Energy sector is strong. Industrials is strong. Materials. Real estate looks okay. And communication. Healthcare kind of looks tapped out. Tech looks meh.
Yeah.
Financials look meh.
I want to see tech fucking dump it. TOS at somebody was talking about OWL. All capital finance investments. Let's see. Yeah, XLK is fucking nothing. What about consumer discretionaries? What is this on? Pretty good SFP on consumer discretionaries. Consumer staples, so staples dumping. Did a fucking price adjustment on this bitch. Fucked up my drawing. On XLE.
What about it?
I think I had it that we were gonna expand on it, like expand a little bit above the initial here. XLE.
Yeah, even if you do, I don't even know where you'd put like if extensions on this shit's on a ripper.
Which one?
XLE. Yeah, if it clears like 55.24, it can go up to 59.49-ish.
On a consumer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Energy. Materials, yeah, utilities. Real estate. Come on. Zillow could give another little cranker to the downside. Maybe give us a pretty good sweep into the next month. I thought that would be good.
All that shit does is go down.
Fuck it. All right. That's all I got for today.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to give us a like, give us a share. Go check us out, www.papertrace.io. It's a website to do. See what we're all about. Check out those past streams. Check our track record. Make sure you check out our Twitter at the Paper Traders. Got exciting things coming. Make sure you give Mr. Hayes a follow. 3,000 followers for the guy. We're gonna do a big giveaway. 2,000 followers for me. When we hit that number, you guys are gonna get the full tracksuit reveal. You got about half of the tracksuit the other day. Give you a little sneak peek of it, and we're also gonna do something else in the tracksuit.
Whoa.
Yeah. Don't worry. That's a secret. So that's what they have to wait for. 250 viewers by April 1st. Let's make it happen. I keep saying, invite your mom, invite your dad, get your brother, sister in here, your dog, your cat, your capybara, whoever you got as a pet, get them in here. Other than that, that'll do it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Ow.
Peace out. Ow.